everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Friday! So, late na kaming lumabas. Ano na ngayon? 4:22 PM. So, pupunta lang kami sa aking mga biyanan. May kukunin doon si Mister. Tapos, pupunta kami ng Taco Bell. And then, sa Dollar Tree. Meron lang kami bibilin doon. And then, ayun lang. Yun lang naman ang aming gagawin ngayong araw. Ngayong gabi. Paggabi na. Ang temperature is -4 degrees Celsius. Tapos yung akala ko na merong snowstorm. What happened to the snowstorm here?
It mostly went over here. I was in it. I had to drive out of it.
So, sa mga ibang part, nag-snow sila. How about here in Connecticut?
I saw a lot of accidents because it was morning rush hour when the storm hit and everybody was driving it and they all crashing. But it didn't. I saw.
There's no storm.
There
It's
was a
just
pickup truck that had a trailer, and he couldn't control his trailer, and he flipped over, so the pickup truck was upside down.
Oh yeah, that's the one that you showed me on the
No, that
video.
was different. That was a tractor trailer. That was in Hartford. I didn't see that. But everybody else saw it. I went around Hartford because I knew not to go that direction, so I went the other direction. But I don't know. It was the whole thing. There was other ones. I saw a lot of accidents this week.
What
10.
What happened to the snowstorm here? Because there was no snow.
It went over.
It is just like sleep.
It goes. It's at higher latitudes, higher elevations. We're just, we're kind of coastal here. We're still like in this little coastal nook where the weather is. It's going. It didn't used to be like this. It used to be worse. But the climate change has changed the weather. So Connecticut, specifically our area, winter has become easier because of climate change. But
Yeah.
other areas in the higher elevations and further north, they still have difficult winters because climate change did not get to their elevations and latitudes. But here we're close enough to the coast that we're getting certain patterns that follow up the coast.
Yeah, so walang naging snow. Meron pa ring storm pero walang snow. Ano lang? Rain. Rain lang yung na-experience namin dito sa town kung nasaan kami. Hindi ko lang alam sa ibang mga lugar dito sa Connecticut. Pero mukhang sabi ni Mister, wala talaga siyang snow. Sabi ko nga kay Mister, bakit wala pang snow? Bakit yung mga ibang lugar meron na? Sabi niya, what did you say? That I should be thankful that there's no snow yet?
Yes. Snow sucks, and if it disappears forever, nobody's gonna miss it.
Oh, mahirap naman kasi talaga pagka may snow. Mahirap pagka, lalo na pagka what do you call that? You need to shovel.
Yes.
Yun.
And your car is gonna crash. Or the other someone's car is gonna crash into your car.
Because of the road, it's too slippery.
Or you're gonna slip on the ice and break your neck. A lot of things that can happen. And it's just better if it's not there. Let it disappear up to further north.
Yeah, so good thing nung Tuesday, hindi nag-snow. May storm pa rin pero wala siyang snow dito. Pero dun sa mga ibang lugar, meron. So, andito kami sa aking mga in-laws. Ito talagang camera na to, hindi siya maganda sa gabi. Kaya gusto ko nga ng bagong camera. Maganda lang siya pagka umaga. Ang dilim na niya. So, andito na kami sa aking mga biyanan. Tapos, after nga dito, kagaya nung sinabi ko, pupunta na kami ng Dollar Tree. So, ayun, sobrang lamig na. Dapat, pupunta kami dun sa Dinosaur Light Show. Kaya lang kasi, parang walking tour. And, dahil sa temperature na sobrang lamig, hindi siya masyadong advisable pagka may mga bata. Siguro kay Zeta pwede, pero pagka kay Zelda, hindi kakayanin kasi sobrang lamig nga. So, ayun, nag-decide na lang kami na wag nang pumunta doon. Kasi ang start niya is 5 PM pa. Itong oras na to, 4:30 PM, sobrang lamig na. What more kung mas late na siya. So, ayun. Yung entrance noon is $25 per person. Sa age ni Zeta, meron na din siya $25. So, total nun isa na is $75. Kaya lang sabi ni Mister, wag na daw kasi nga si Zelda baka magkasakit. So, nagbago ang aming isip. They're giving you an advertisement about leather jackets. Pumunta lang pala kami ng light show, pero yung drive-thru siya, hindi yung maglalakad ka. Para sa loob lang kami ng Yung ticket niya ay $35. Pero pagka binili mo siya sa online, ano na lang, $34.95 plus yung tax. We just save, 5 cents.
$5.
Why? You said it's 35. It's 35 if it's online and it's 40 if you buy it there.
Yeah.
Okay. So, $40 pala pagka hindi mo siya bibilin sa online pagka doon ka mismo sa gate na magpa-purchase. Yun si Zira. Hi, Zira! Nakasimangot na naman. Hindi kasi siya masaya sa kanyang sa kanyang tawag dyan? Sa suot-suot niyang winter jacket. Si Zelda naman andun. Tulog. So, kain muna kami dito sa McDonald's. Nag-drive-thru lang kami. Pero dito kami sa parking nila kakain. Si Zeta nakatulog na.
Maybe you should go in the back.
Dito na kami, guys. Ayan siya. Meron siyang paganyan. Kung nakakuha ng video. Ayan ako, may pa-music.
Make us listen to this.
Ayan.
Little kids.
Ganda niya. So, nag-purchase na ako ng ticket kanina online. Baby, look at those.
They're in vehicle all the time.
So, yung music doon sa station, nagjo-jive siya dito sa mga ilaw-ilaw.
You got a monster truck.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la
Santa Claus.
la la la.
Santa Claus.
Fast away the old year passes. Fa la 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 la. Hail the new
Merry
year, lads
banana.
and lasses. Fa la 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 la
Banana.
la. Sing we joyous all together. Fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather. Fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la.
Si Zeta, seryoso na. yung si Zeta. Oh, nakakatawa. Eh, itsura ni Zeta.
Yun yung sinabi.
Oh, pretty girl. Beautiful baby. Who's your baby?
So, nakauwi na kami guys. Ayan ulit si Baby Zelda. Tingnan niyo yung kanyang pisngi. Sobrang lamig kasi. Hi, Zelda. Hi, Zelda. Hi, pretty baby. Ito na yung dalawa. Oh, napaka-sweet naman ng ate Zeta na yan. Pareho ang pupula ng pisngi. Ay, pinupunasan niya ng laway si Zelda. Ay, what a sweet ate Zeta.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby Zelda.
We're open.
What's that? You want mama to open? There's nothing to open. There's nothing to open, baby. Ito naman ang ating bungis-ngis na Zelda. Hi, bungis-ngis na Zelda. Hi, bungis-ngis na Zelda. Hi, may bungis-ngis na baby. Hi. 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 You just slept. You didn't see the pretty lights. Natulog lang to si Zelda eh. Pero hindi pa rin naman niya kasi ma-appreciate yung mga ganun. Si Zeta ka, hindi niya pa rin masyado na-appreciate. Hi! Taba-taba na ni Zelda. Ang ating 4 months old na baby Zelda. Hi, Zelda. I'm gonna clean you up na. Linisin ko na itong dalawa and then mag-prepare na rin kami pagtulog. What are you doing?
For fun.
Did you see Santa Claus?
For
Did you see Santa Claus?
fun.
Butterfly? Oh, you have a lot of butterflies.
For fun. Bye.
So, ayun lang po for today's video. Thank you so much for watching our
Bye-bye.
family's activity for today. If you are new to our channel, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much again for your support and see you again
Bye.
next time. Say bye. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Gusto niyo lang ipindutin yung red button. Bye-bye.